Hi all, I am Smokeman and today I'm gonna present you Xiaomi EU4 POCO F2 Pro. First of all, I must say I don't have the developer version, I have the stable version, okay? The ambient on display, it has the steps here. It's an improvement from the official one. You have the steps here, okay? Here it is. It's the 12.08 version, stable. I didn't install the developer version because it's Android 11 now, and it has a few bugs that it's not good, because when you install a new version you have to format all data. So I don't recommend you to install the developer version at this moment, because it has Android 11. If you want to install the developer, install the last Android 10 version. This one, still it's the Android 10, okay? It's Android 10 still. I don't want to test the 11 because it has a lot of bugs, and you have to format all, and you have to install the official ROM by fastboot again, and I don't want that. So I'm gonna keep the best version at this point. It's the stable 12.08 for POCO F2 Pro. So the difference that you have in this ROM, you have the MIUI style here. You can choose also the Google Discover, as you have on the official version. You can choose the Discover also. You have the option, okay? Here it is, Discover, if you like more, okay? You have also no ads. This is very important. You have no ads in this version, and you have MIUI style and MIUI message. That for me it's very important, because I love that. I don't like the Google apps, I prefer the MIUI style. This is the main point that gives me the reason to unlock the bootloader and install the ROM. If you guys want the tutorial or the files to install, I have the TWRP. Don't install Mauro Frio version, install the Chinese version. I'm gonna leave it below on description. The TWRP, I use it, and the steps are the same. You have to unlock the bootloader, install the TWRP, format data, and put the ROM inside the phone and flash it. It's like that, easy peasy, okay? So this is the main versions. You see here the Wi-Fi, it shows two signals there, okay? Also the Bluetooth is working fine with my GTS, okay? It's syncing fine with no problems, and the battery life, it's good. The ROM is very snappy, okay? Don't lag at all. We don't have the Saturn super wallpaper in this version. We don't have it yet. We have only the home and the red planet. We don't have the Saturn. It's a shame. And we don't have at this moment also the fingerprint here, the new fingerprint. You have only Aurora here, okay? Aurora effect. You don't have the effect I showed on last Xiaomi EU from Mi Note 10 Lite, okay? You don't have that, but overall it's a great ROM for POCO phone F2 Pro. I recommend you seriously to install, and if you like, press like it here. If you don't like, press dislike. Subscribe, it's very important to subscribe to the channel, okay? And I'm Smokeman, I see you soon, okay?